arrive in style with this BMW 2011 3 Series 2-door CPE 328i rear-wheel drive. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include rear-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, aluminum wheels and HID headlights. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.